Hello besties, welcome back to Mystery Mode channel. Today's video is all about how to make a paper squishy, specifically an Inside Out 2. Disgust emotion character paper squishy in a very easy way. Materials you'll need: scissors, markers, pencil, eraser, cotton tape. Instructions: first, draw a rough sketch of any character you want using a pencil. I chose to draw Disgust. Color the sketch to match the character's appearance. I use markers for this. To give the squishy a shiny look, cover the drawing with tape. Cut the drawing out in the shape of the character. If you want to see an alpaca blind bag unboxing, you can watch this video on my channel. The link is in the description box, so check it out. Cover all the edges with tape to make it more durable. If you want to watch a BTS blind bag unboxing, I already uploaded it on my channel. I have so many blind bag videos, so you can check them out by visiting my channel. Fill the squishy with cotton. Leave a small opening to insert the cotton, then close the last edge with tape. And that's it! Your Disgust squishy is ready. You can play with it or use it as a decoration on your table. It's super easy to make at home. Please don't forget to like this video and comment with the next squishy character you'd like to see. Subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you.